Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a GMC Acadia. First, gather your new oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Make sure your Acadia is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cool to the touch. This ensures safety and prevents burns. Identifying the drain plug and filter beforehand saves time. Now, position your drain pan under the oil pan. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let all the old oil drain out completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and reinstall it firmly, but avoid excessive force to prevent stripping the threads. Next, locate the old oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being ready for any residual oil. Take your new filter and apply a small amount of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then turn it about 1/4 of a turn more. Finally, using a funnel, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill port. Consult your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity, often around 6 quarts. After filling, replace the cap, start the engine for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.